Hello, girls. My Francine is... Anyway, Francine is gonna come here. What? What? Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thank you, Undo.
Happy Mother's Day.
Anyo. She just want to eat. Good morning. Francine just want to eat. Good morning. Oi! Why you have frame? I see the
Dead. Not me.
You saw the flower already?
yeah, I see the flowers and I didn't see the frame.
Okay.
Good morning.
Frank said that. Ooh.
I told you not to buy me a fresh fresh flowers. It's okay. This is from you, Ella. Thank you.
No, that's from me.
All.
All. And that's from me, and that's from Ella.
This is from Ella?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, not that frame. That picture.
I got the dream catcher.
Since she had so many bad dreams in the last few days,
Yeah.
so gotta pick one which will fit to the bedroom.
Bedroom is white. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ella! Come on, thank you. Ella picked this one?
No, I picked the frame, but she made that.
She made this one?
She made this inside.
Yeah?
Yeah.
In school? Wow, look at that. Look at that. Ella made this one in school and Frank put it in the frame. Oh, thank you, baby. Oh, look. Oh, I was thinking it's actually you bought all.
No, wait.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Mother's Day 2019. I received this. The
that's Ella. It's actually the shadow of Ella. Just as a positive. Not
Yeah.
negative.
Is
I
this
don't know
her
what
shadow?
happened.
Yeah.
who?
They put. She was standing like this on front of the wall,
More.
and then there's a light
Yeah.
streaming against her, and then they drew her facial features from the wall, and then she cut it out and then put it on the black.
Oh my God! Thank you. Look at this, guys. Thank you, Ella. Come here.
Ding, 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 ding.
I was thinking they bought this in the Cody or Teddy all. So ang nasa loob niya, guys, ay gawa ni Ella.
Yep.
At si Ella daw 'yan. Gawa niya sa school and this ang pinalagay naman ni Frank sa frame. Thank you. I love it do. I was thinking
I knew it that she.
I was thinking it's from the
Shop, yeah, it looks.
Yeah,
it
it's
looks, it looks really well like that.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah, but
Thank you for the dream catcher. Lately, guys, may mga masasama akong panaginip. Lately, nagdadamgo ako. Wait. And I have now a dream catcher. I hope di na ako magdidamgo. Now, look at that. I'm so amazed on this ba. It's really nice.
but the
Quick
frame.
reply.
Kaya pala busy nila yesterday. Thank you for the flowers. Now I have new flowers to
It fits to your table.
Yeah, thank you, baby. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers in the world. Na-pressure ako for Father's Day nito. Ano, ipapa-frame ko sa Father's Day. Ipapa-frame ko yung...
There's a new gift again.
We should put this in the top of the bed, baby. In the head side. So I have a dream catcher, guys. Sana i-effect to.
Defecto, yeah.
No, I...
Hopefully it works.
Yeah, hopefully it works. You understand. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Understand
Thank you. Parang...
the
OMG.
effect.
Francine, come here. Francine doesn't know what's happening. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a gift.
Si Francine hindi naintindihan. What do you have for me? Can I get couscous for Mama? What's that? It's so nice, na? Ate Ella made that.
That's why
I have to thank again them.
Why?
Thank you.
You don't need to take. You said
No,
that already.
No, I'm so glad you kuan. You made it special again.
But
Mother's.
there was also
Thank
something
you.
special.
What's something
You can
special?
look in YouTube to remind you.
Yeah, it's a remote.
For what is that?
Wait, when she gets.
We're gonna watch TV. Where's the TV?
Hello guys! Happy Mother's Day! Magsisimba lang kami guys. Lalabas kami. Malamig siya sa gawa. 13 degrees
Yeah, I
today.
know.
Is that cold or warm?
What do you think?
Siguro mag-change ako na kuan. Having dress. Show me.
But that's okay, your dress.
Yeah, but the shoes I think I have to change.
Yeah, you're like one. You're like a.
Like that?
Yeah. Kinakabit na ni Frank yung dream catcher. Siguro hindi na ako mananaginip nito.
It's more like a cake.
What?
But since she needs that,
Ta-dang!
should have used the white one. Now I
It's
don't
okay, it doesn't show. Yay!
No, make it.
Yay! Oop. 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 Don't do it one step, Francis. Oop. 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 Go find. Find another one. The other one, and you have to blow. Come on, blow. It's not like in the movie that they were doing.
You have to do it not against the wind. You have to do
Yeah.
it with the wind.
Yummy?
Yeah, yummy.
Rain.
But didn't want to stay with me.
Francine is sleeping.
Hindi, iba ito ka sa gamrang.
Look like that.
Shiny. Shiny like
Diamond.
yeah, shine like
like
red
a
element.
diamond.
And you never have my head in it. You always cut me off. You don't need to go up higher. You just need to turn your hand a little bit.
Yeah, but it looks so dark.
No, you keep it up high, but you turn. More, yeah, like a bit more turn. So you get me my hair as
guys.
well, my good hair.
Yeah, okay guys,
Thank
because
you very
he
much.
is
I'm going to stay like this.
Actually,
The
where's
big
the
pictures
maze?
without me, nothing.
Actually, where's the maze?
There's what?
that's the maze there. Kabundukan. Jungle there. Dantig. Wouldn't be lost. You're the king of the jungle. Do it in the camera. Do it in the camera. Andito na kami sa sentro ng kabundukan.
Like new parachutes.
Papunta kami sa Rhine River,
There's
guys.
a Tinkerbell.
So
Parachute
it's
for
like
the
a kwan here. It's like what's that? Garden of Eden.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, Garden of Eden.
yeah. I have to stay like this again. Since
Garden
They did just say heaven.
Heaven. Eden.
Oh.
Garden of Eden.
I think, where's your telescope? I should bring that.
Malamig-lamig dito eh.
There! Is that the one or what?
It's almost there. We're almost there. But
Thank you, Lord.
before, last time we were in the other way, right? We went in the other way.
yeah, I don't know which way we went. Could be. We came back this way.
Let's slide!
Oh.
Oh, there. Who did this again?
Should I let
Yeah.
go? Clever?
You're out of your mind.
Wow, it's so nice here. I want to go picnic here or in my birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some music, some food here. And we're going.
Dito na tayo guys sa river. Red River. Before, last akong nandito yung kami pa lang dalawa ni Frank. Wala pang mga chikiting. She's awake? Finally, she's awake.
Look, Francine, what's that?
Cold. Francine is finally awake.
Hey, can I eat a
but it's too cold. Halubis.
Hey, can I touch the water?
I have to lift her up.
Okay.
So
What? What
I'm
now?
scared to touch the water.
What now?
that she's now you get some.
Sun. It's in my bag. There's a duck from sea. Duck, duck, duck. Duck, duck, duck.
Come on, I want to take a photo of us. So we are now on the northern coast in Germany. It's actually pretty windy.
Yeah, windy. It's not cold. It's fun. No.
Oh, this is two. This is three. Yeah.
Body.
What?
Are you going? Papa? The water? Wait, wait. She's heading her direction. Huh?
Yeah, you just follow.
There's a heartstone. There's a shed.